Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you, how to enable dynamic checkout button on product pages on Shopify. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're having problems with enabling what we call dynamic checkout pages or checkout buttons here on Shopify, well, there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that the accelerated or the dynamic buttons here are not hidden. Now, Shopify here made some changes, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Shopify, go to your teams, and click on Edit Team. Now, from here, you want to go to the very top, go ahead and click on Homepage, go to Products, and you want to go and choose Default Product. Now, from here, you want to make sure to select your section here for details in your product. It should open up the template here. Now, it should be under product information, and you want to look for the buy buttons and go and just expand this. Now, what you're looking for specifically is going to be the accelerated checkout, and you want to make sure that the actual item here or element is not hidden. So if it's hidden, you won't be able to see it later on. So again, just make sure it's actually visible. Now, in this case, how do we actually see it? Well, the thing with accelerated checkout here, or what we call previously we call it dynamic checkout, the dynamic checkout button here, well, this is automatically included on all or in every Shopify template or team out there. But the thing with this one is they only appear on certain conditions. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to go and click on save at the top right here. And you want to go and go back into your Shopify page, and you want to go and click on settings, and you want to go ahead and just go to payments. Now, in your payments here, you want to make sure that you've added all the payments that you want to use here. Like, for example, you've already set up Shopify payments, added your PayPal here, and also you may want to manage your Shopify payments here and just verify all the necessary information. Now, from then on, you want to go ahead and just basically add all your payment methods. And once you've added all of those, dynamic or what we call accelerated checkout here on Shopify should now be visible or usable in your Shopify store. But that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.